We have goals for our business life. We have goals for our private life. Don't you think it's time we have goals for our creative life? Hello creative people, this is Debbie from Project 39. This is the February wrap-up and March goal planning of the Crafty Goals collab hosted by Amalia of Cool Cakes and Crafts by Amalia. Look in the description box and you can check out all of the other collaborators and see how we document our goal setting process. And go ahead and join along. So in the last episode, I was just getting set up in my new RV. My husband and I sold everything and we're living in an RV and we'll be traveling across the country while I'm maintaining my two shops. I have an Etsy shop and I also have a website. Mostly I sell mini albums, but again, go check out the link in the description box after the video's over. So let's talk about how I did in February and then we'll go over my March goals. So here are my goals. I wanted to complete the February Crafty Goals YouTube video, which I did. I wanted to use up Valentine's Day collection kit. Boy, did I use up Valentine's Day collection kit. There's some YouTubes. I did not use the spring paper pad. There was an Easter one and I didn't do. I did set up my new creative space. The other two goals, the record a mini album tutorial and post it on YouTube, have been things I've been carrying over since the beginning of the year. And I am getting closer. It's all done. I just need to finish editing it and post it. That will be in March's goals. And here's what I want to attack for the month of March. First of all, I have some Easter paper, stickers and leftover paper, and I want to make use of that, whether it's cards or mini albums or whatever. And I have 4 packs of Easter ephemera. So I'm sure I can make some cute cards with that. I have some really pretty spring paper. I've used most of this pad, but I want to finish this up and I have a whole nother springtime pad. I mean, doesn't it have some pretty colors to it? I'm sure I could make this. These are beautiful. I made a really pretty mini album with that. Maybe I'll do another one. Anyhow, I want to use up this paper pad. This one I definitely want to use up. This is a lot of fun. It's got the pretty foil embossed butterflies. Isn't that pretty? It's beautiful, bright colors. I just thought that would be great for spring. These are really, there's another one that's recipe cards. There it is. So I might do a cookbook. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm up to the task, but we will see. Anyhow, lots of, flamingos. Who doesn't love flamingos? Lots of bright colors in that, and I want to attack that one. This is a 6x6 book, shabby chic, but I want to do something for Mother's Day. And I didn't want Mother's Day / for baby's first year, and I didn't want traditional baby colors, so I thought I might use this one for that. All right, this one's going to be a stretch. I am not sure if I'm going to be able to do something like this. I might. This is on the maybe list. This may be more for May or June, wedding, graduation, that kind of thing, just because it's black and white and gold. But again, I was thinking Mother's Day. All right, talking about stretch, this is a stretch goal of mine. I looked at the back and this paper is from 2007. So I have had it quite a while. Again, I was thinking Mother's Day, baby's first year, not the traditional baby colors. See, I think that's pretty, but is that too much? 2007? Well, 2005. And then here's the real stretch goal. So this is transparency overlays. So it's 12 by 12 sheets, and their transparencies. So, I mean, what do you do with that? Do you make it so it's a like a frame with acetate over it, but then the picture underneath is going to have this on top? So if you were to do a person, it's going to look like they're in a pink jail. But again, thinking baby. I am not sure. If you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments what you would do with this. I mean, it's fabulous, and I've had it for a while. I just don't know. So this is like a green transparency, because this paper below is white, and it's got that. I mean, imagine if you were to put a design on top, you're going to have that underneath it. I don't know. I don't know. It's worth a shot, right? So anyhow, that is my stretch goal, is to see what I can do with this. And then I've decided some of these papers will go with what I've already chosen. So I want to use up all of that ephemera. I want to see if I can take a good chunk out of these frames. You know, they're all different kinds, and it doesn't mean I have to keep the I mean, it doesn't have to be brown. I could just put paper over that if I wanted to. More frames, more ephemera. I want to make thank you cards and use up this in my stash. And this I've had for a while. It's just a bunch of tags. Again, it matched with the colors of a lot of the papers I've chosen. So this is what I'm hoping to use up for the month of March. Wish me luck on that, because that is a lot of paper. So that's my goals for March. Check out the other collaborators, see what they have planned, and join me again next month and see what I actually accomplished. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.